Most people start their morning with coffee, tea, or maybe lemon water, but have you ever tried an onion hot drink? Sounds unusual, right? Well, this simple morning drink is packed with surprising health benefits, and today, I'll break down the science behind it. An onion hot drink is simply made by boiling sliced onions in water, sometimes with a touch of garlic, ginger, honey, or lemon. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, especially for colds and overall wellness. But modern science also backs up many of its benefits. Health benefits, backed by science boosts. Immunity. Onions are rich in vitamin C and quercetin, a powerful antioxidant. Quercetin has been shown in studies to help the body fight infections and reduce inflammation. Supports respiratory health. If you wake up congested or with a sore throat, onion tea can help. The sulfur compounds in onions and garlic act as natural decongestants, helping clear mucus and open airways. Anti-inflammatory and detoxifying. Both onion and garlic contain sulfur compounds that reduce inflammation and support liver detoxification, making this drink a gentle morning cleanse. Heart and blood sugar. Health research shows that onions and garlic can help regulate blood sugar levels and may support healthy cholesterol and blood pressure. Great for long-term cardiovascular health. Digestive benefits. Onion hot drink stimulates digestive enzymes, reduces bloating, and nourishes your gut bacteria with natural prebiotics. Now, if you add garlic to the mix, you supercharge the benefits. Garlic contains allicin, known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Together, onion and garlic make a powerful morning tonic for your immune system. Simply boil the onion and garlic for 5-7 minutes, strain, and sip warm. Add honey or lemon if you want to soften the flavor. So the next time you want something different from coffee or tea, give this onion hot drink a try. It's simple, science-backed, and a great way to support your health naturally. Would you try onion tea in the morning? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves natural health tips.